Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Bielebbi brand, their floating shelves. This is the box it came in. Let's open up and take a look at it. This is a set of two solid pine shelves. See how nicely and neatly it's organized. It has the shelves themselves. These are 23.4 inches wide by 5.9 inches in the depth, and look how thick that is. It's an inch thick, and you see they're all wrapped in plastic to protect them. Very, very heavy. What's unique about this is solid pine wood, which is really unique. A lot of times you get less expensive wood, and most of the time you get particle board. This is a solid block of wood. Have you ever been to the store, big box store, hardware store? Recently you see that you have to take out a loan to buy any pine wood. So pine wood has gone up about 600% in the last 2 years. So this is a great value, and it looks like really high quality. So in the box here, let's take a look what else is included. It has the mounting brackets. We're going to show a close-up of that. And a hardware pack. Wow, this is very heavy duty. I'm totally impressed already just by the weight of these brackets. So here's everything out of the box, and I wish you could smell this because the smell of this pine is unbelievable. So the finish of this is really nice, very smooth, and the hardware package has some heavy duty nuts and bolts and brackets. We're going to show that. And then to sandwich between this to protect the wood, there was a basic instruction sheet that tells you how to do this, but it's really simple. We're going to show you that. So just looking at the overall quality of this, you can see that it's a solid pine board, and you see it has this metal retaining nut inside there, and very, very durable. It's embedded in here long distance. Just really beautiful. There's no seams, no ugly seams, which you get with particle board. And what they did is they have different pieces of wood with the grain varied so that you don't get warpage. That's really important when you have solid pine. So I'm totally impressed with the finish of this. It's a satin or semi-gloss finish on here. It's all pre-sanded and smooth. And again, the smell of pine wood is just unmistakable. It's so good. And these pieces are unbelievable quality also, all smooth and covered with that beautiful pine look and that pine smell. So here's the hardware package. I laid everything out, and you can see that it has two different methods for anchoring it to the wall. If you can't find a stud, then you could use these very nice drywall holders. These are really good. These are usually rated for 25 to 50 pounds each. I'd highly recommend using that. These also could be used, but these don't hold as much, but they are included if you want to. If you don't hit a stud, then this allows you to hold it through the drywall. Then you see there's 4 main brackets, 2 for each piece of this, and those are going to be mounted on this piece right there. And these long bolts are going to go through, and they're going to intersect those nuts that I mentioned earlier, and we're going to show that. And then these screws right here have washers put on them, and they're going to go through these 2 holes right here into your wall. Very nice. And this plate is very, very thick. I'm impressed with that. It looks to me like to be about almost 1/4 of an inch thick. And all the hardware seems to be really high quality. Seems to be stainless steel, these, so they don't rust, the washers. And this is some kind of a heavy plated steel. So that's really nice. That's high quality stuff right there. So the first thing for installing is you put this wooden mounting piece on like that. And then you take the included bolt and plate, and you drop that plate into the wood right there. And then this is going to be dropped down and screwed into that carriage bolt, carriage nut that was inside the wood. And then that's going to allow you to use the two screws in the washer to put it through like that on both sides. And then you're going to mount that into your wall. That's what's going to hold this in place. Now I did notice that they do have a template right there of where the holes are. So you could put this on your wall, level it, and then use that to mount these included anchors on your drywall. So there I've assembled the shelves, and now you can see how they look. Very nice, and then they're ready to have the included screw and washer put through on each one of these. And it goes into your wall using the included anchors. And from the back view you can see what it looks like. There's that plate. Plate only goes one way. It's scalloped out for it like that. And very, very nice. So this is going to go flush on your wall, and you could put it any way you like. They can even go side by side, as the picture demonstrates, anywhere you want to use it. But the overall look of this is really very attractive, as you can see, and depending on where you put it, it's going to look really amazing. After you mount these shelves, they will be able to hold 50 pounds per shelf, and that's a lot of weight. So you can put a lot of decorative things on there, plates, china, whatever you can fit on here, which on this wide platform you could be able to use and hold up to 50 pounds. You could really notice when something is solid wood. You don't see any edges on here, and that just makes it look extra beautiful. And the way that they satin finished this to a really smooth finish. And it's a generous size too. You could put a lot on here to have a decorative shelf in your kitchen or your bedroom. Wherever you're going to use this, it's going to look really nice. And that solid wood is really going to stand out. So after looking at this and assembling this and looking at the hardware package, what do I think about the Bielebbi branded floating shelf set of two? Very nice product. I think you're really going to like it. It's beautiful solid wood pine, which is really unique. The mounting system is really strong. Everything's included for all the different mounting options on here. I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link for this product in the information section of this video review. When you order this product, please use that link to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.